Angazi noma usuyibonile le tweet ya General Mkhwanazi. I-tweet esuggesta ukuthi kahle kahle uMotlala is just a small fly. The real kingpin behind all of this goes by the name Stephen August Motsumi, who is currently in hiding. For what, we don't know. All we know is that we're going to need him to resurface because we need answers from him as a nation. Apparently, this guy is an owner of Vadzwini Securities, and he enjoys a very close proximity with the first citizen of this country, President Cyril Ramaphosa. These allegations need to be cleared. We need answers from Ramaphosa. Wherever he is, he better be preparing to respond to us as a nation. General, we are going to demonstrate to them how exactly they were supposed to react when Chris Hani was assassinated. As a country, we are going to teach them a lesson.